In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a striped rainbow bracelet. This bracelet is super simple and doesn't take too long to make. Also, you can use any number of strings as long as you have at least 3 strings. For the rainbow, I'm using 6 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. To start, cut your strings into about 3 feet in length and put them in the order that you want the colors to be in. Then secure your strings to your workstation using tape. I usually use a clipboard to keep my strings in place. Make sure to leave extra string at the end so that you can braid it later on. I've fast forwarded through the first several rows of this bracelet, but you can start by working with your left 2 strings. Following along with what I'm doing, using the red string on the left, I completed 2 forward knots on the orange string. I did this by placing the red string over the orange, pushing the red string through the loop, and then pulling up. Again, I did this twice. Then completing 2 forward knots using the red string on each string until you have finished your row. After that, you will do the same thing, starting again with the string on the left, which in my case is orange. Keep repeating this process until your bracelet reaches your desired length. Then you can braid the ends, tie them off, and trim off the extra material, and that's it.